As you can see, I'm a pro at making window covers. Okay guys, I'm back, and after tracing out 2 layers of the Reflectix, I used the Gorilla Tape around the edges to sandwich them. I have also applied the peel and stick contact paper. As you can see, it's like a maple wood grain effect. I don't know if it shows up. I've also made little tabs at the end for pull tabs, so you can pull them out of the window because they get kind of jammed in there. So yeah, that's what I've done so far. Now what I'm doing is I'm outside on the deck because I'm going to be using the spray glue, and you know, you don't want that inside. All right, so I'm going to spray the backs and then lay the fabric on top and hope it sticks. Oh, I'm going to tuck my tab in so that I don't get glue on the tabs. Because that would suck. There we go. Alright guys, I'm just going to finish these up and I'll catch up with you when I'm done. See you soon. Okay, so what I did was I let the glue get tacky, and then I laid the fabric on top, and I'm going to smooth it out. Okay. All right, on to the next step. For anyone considering using felt for their window covers, try to remember there are 2 sides to the felt. One side is more fibrous, like this side, and then one is smoother and a little glossier looking. And that's the side that you want to glue. It's less likely to pull away. Okay, as you can see, I have the black felt glued to all of the window covers now. So what I'll do is take my scissors and trim the excess. And after that, I think I'm going to try lining it again with the Gorilla Tape. I don't know if it's going to stick to this felt, but I'm going to try. I just want to give it more of a finished look because, well, I'm a Libra. I want it to look pretty. Hey guys, I'm in the van. I'm attempting to put in the window covers that I made. As you can see, they don't all fit the way they should, the way I was expecting them to fit. This one you can see is a little too large. It's kind of scrunched along the edges, and that's because, you know, it was a little bit big and I had to squish it in there, but it is holding and I don't see any bleed through on this one. So that's good. And then we have the back one. It's just kind of sitting there because it is too big. This one right here. that's for the back window. This little ridge right there, I did not make the curve deep enough, so I'm gonna have to trim that one because I can't even jam it in there. So that's a fail. And then this one is like the only one that kind of fit perfectly. Oh, never mind. Never mind that. I just noticed some bleed through right there. And then right here. There we go. I see you. I see you there. This. Okay, this is like the worst one yet. I haven't even tried this last one. Okay, so this is the side window. And it went horribly wrong. Look at this. Look at the bleed through. Oh my goodness. And then up here on the side. And then the worst yet is like, look at this side. Not even close, guys. Like, really? What the heck? But we're gonna find out. Let's see if we can make this one fit. Oh my God. Well, this one seems, oh, never mind. Okay, so I kind of shoved it in the corner, but you can see the bleed through. That is not gonna be stealthy. Not at all. Not if I have a light on in here. Oh my God. Seriously, guys, how did this happen? Oh my God. If anyone has any ideas of how I could fix these two side windows without having to remake them all over again. As you can see, my window covers need a little extra help. So if you have any tips or ideas, please leave them in the comments below.